Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be doing that quickly in tonight's video. Okay, so many people have been benefiting from this, and of course we will be having another edition of it tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, do your own personal practice, and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. You can also join the Telegram channel, okay? That way you can learn directly from me, okay? So let's quickly check out the analysis we did this morning. I shared this video with us this morning, how you can make your first $100 trading boom and crash. Okay, so we will be checking out the analysis we did so that we will see how they performed. Okay, we will be starting with boom 1000. That's the first thing we will be doing. Okay, when we were doing the when I was creating the video, boom 1000, I've already started the downtrend, and it has gone down to to around this level. And of course I told you that it will still sell more, but it might not go for a very long time before it will start a buy trend. So I gave you the first TP, it got to the first TP. I gave you the second TP, it smashed the second TP. But the third TP, it didn't get there. It's almost got there, okay, but it didn't get there, okay, before it pulled back. So I believe the two TPs should give you some cool amounts of money. Okay, so we can do some calculations right from there and see how much profit we will make. Okay, because this actually gave us more candles. It started from somewhere here to here. Okay, that is about 21 candles. You can do your calculation, 21 times 5 to know the amount of minutes spent within the market. 21 times 5 just for boom 1000 alone, that is about 105 minutes. If you are earning 50 cents per minute, that means you'll be earning over $50 right from there. Okay, so you can see it's very easy for you to make $100. Now let's check boom 500. Okay, this is not part of the analysis. Boom 500 was spiking then, so I only said this will be spiking more, so I gave us the first TP for spiking, for spike trade, then the second TP, and you can see it smashed those, both the first and the second TP, and of course it has got into this region. Okay, so let's check out boom crash 1000. We can see crash 1000 had crashed down before, so it was supposed to go back up, so it's only smashed the first TP, and the forces behind it was too strong, so it came down again. So that is very, very important. That means it will still need to buy more. Okay, all these TPs will still be touched, okay, but it will only take more time. Okay, so that is it. So but it smashed the first TP, and that was amazing. Okay, now let's check out crash 500. This is crash 500. We can see crash 500 smash the first TP, second TP, third TP, fourth TP, and check out this, it also smashed this particular one, and of course that's so amazing, and it has gotten to this alone should give you more than $100. So you can see we can all make money with this. Okay, that is why I said you shouldn't miss out on any of the information I'm dishing out in my video. And of course when you have the trading tool, it makes it easier for you to make some good profit for yourself. And I also believe that you should be able to generate the signal on your own right now. So now let's go back to what we have right here. Like I said, we will be analyzing the markets one after the other. So everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with it. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000 on 5 minute time frame. This had been on downtrend for a very long time but was unable to break out below this support zone. So right now it's going back on buy trend. It just need to break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so this is going to be buying more. So if you are a lover of spike trading, then it's the right time for you to trade your spike right from there. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500. This is still on a very strong buy trend. Starting from this support zone, it kept on spiking up and spiking up. It has got into this resistance. It was unable to break out from there, so it pulled back and it will be trying out again. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back into a sell trend, but for now it is still buying more. But if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, it's going to be going back into a sell trend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. This has been crashing down right from here, got to this support zone, played around there for a while before breaking out below the support zone to get to this region. Right now it's trying to go back on a buy trend, but first it needs to break out above this resistance zone. So this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, most especially if it's unable to break out below the support zone right here. But right now it is buying and it will be trying out this resistance zone. Okay, so quickly let's check out crash 500. This is crash 500. Starting from this support zone, it started an uptrend and it has got into this resistance zone. It's trying to, it's giving it another try again. So it's want to give it another try. If it can break out above it, if it breaks out above it, then it will continue to buy. If it does not, then it will go back on sell trend. But for now it is still buying until it is unable to break out above the resistance, and that is when it will go back on sell trend. So the last asset we'll be checking out is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, I love this movement. This is volatility 75. You can see right from the support it started an uptrend. This is an uptrend signal, and of course we got a buy signal, just a single buy signal. Check it out, it's kept on going up and up and up, and it's still going up. Okay, so even though it is very close to a resistance zone, if it's unable to break out above it, then it will go back on sell trend. But if it breaks out above it, then definitely it will keep on buying. So this is still buying. It might not be for a very long time before it will change the market, the direction of the market, into a sell trend. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.